Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a physical SIM card at the Google Pixel 7 and Google Pixel 7 Pro. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. It is a bit hidden here in the instructions. There's a gray card on top of it, and if you remove it like this you will find it here at the back. So just flap the wings a bit and release it. Yeah. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. By the way, you can insert just one physical SIM card. If you want, you can have also a second SIM card, but only as an eSIM profile. Or if you just want to have an eSIM profile in general, it is also possible, but in both cases you have to ask your provider for. Okay, now let's insert the physical SIM card. So if you're having the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray here on top of it is the little hole, and now we will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, just take then your SIM card and put it like this. So the contacts are here on the top, and at the SIM card there's a missing corner. It belongs here to the missing corner of the SIM tray. It only fits like this. Okay. Then just insert the SIM card like this, so the contacts are to the display side. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.